Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change your username in Binance. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Binance, and here you have to click on top left Binance icon. Here you can see you have to click on this top left Binance icon. After that, here you have to click on this. After that, here you have to click on this arrow at the top right corner. You have to click on this arrow button at the top right corner. When you click on this, now here you can see there is so many options. Now here you have to click on this. Now here you have to click on this edit icon. You have to click on this edit icon. When you click on this, now here you can see nickname and avatar. You have to click on this edit icon. Click on this edit button. Now here you can see nickname. Here you have to add your username here. For example, now here you have to add your new username. After adding your new username, you have to click on the save icon. Now here you have to click on continue. In this way you can change your username in Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.